Faith School, Aelifya School, and Children Friendly School. Inshallah, our school will become Industrial Revolution 4.0 school. The foundation of school achievement is Dr. Andi Agusniaty MPD became a headmaster. First, we are the winner of Makassar City Clean Toilet Competition, awarded by Makassar Education Service in 2017. Second, we are the winner of second place Makassar City Level 18 Education Revolution Competition, awarded in 2017 by the Mayor of Makassar. Third, we are the winner of Makassar City Debate Competition, awarded by the government of Makassar City in 2017. Fourth, we are the winner of the Mayor Cup Karate Championship in South Sulawesi region, awarded by the Kari of South Sulawesi in 2017. Fifth, we are the second place winner of district level learning modification competition, awarded in 2017. Sixth, we are the winner of O2SM Elementary School Karate competition to national level in Yogyakarta, awarded